Welcome! Today we're diving into the Instant Vortex Air Fryer review. This air fryer is designed to enhance your cooking experience and is essential for any modern kitchen. Let's explore its features and why it might be the perfect addition to your home. Product overview. The Instant Vortex Air Fryer boasts a 4-quart capacity and offers 6 cooking functions, making it an excellent choice for healthier cooking without sacrificing taste. Its standout feature is the EvenCrisp technology, which ensures your food is crispy and delicious with minimal oil. Features and benefits. 1. EvenCrisp technology. This technology guarantees even cooking, resulting in perfectly crispy and flavorful meals. 2. 6 cooking functions. The air fryer can air fry, bake, roast, broil, dehydrate, and reheat, allowing you to prepare a variety of dishes effortlessly. 3. Customizable programs. With 4 customizable programs, you can quickly make your favorite meals like chicken wings, roasted vegetables, and cinnamon buns. 4. User-friendly design. Its touch-screen panel and compact design make it convenient and easy to operate in any kitchen. 5. Safety features. The air fryer includes overheat protection and auto-off features, ensuring safe cooking every time. Cooking experience. Using the Instant Vortex Air Fryer is straightforward. Its efficient functions allow you to whip up healthy meals quickly. The air frying process requires less oil, making it perfect for health-conscious cooking. Overall, the Instant Vortex Air Fryer meets the demands of modern cooking. It's versatile, healthy, and user-friendly. If you're considering an air fryer, this one is a fantastic choice that will simplify your cooking experience. Don't forget to share your thoughts. And if you enjoyed the video, please like and subscribe. Thank you.
Thanks for watching. Links in the description box for each product mentioned.